Yanis Varoufakis destroys glorified cartel. EU jab chaos exposes bloc's true weaknesses. Yanis Varoufakis has lashed out at the European Union's failings during the coronavirus crisis, as he hit out at the shortage of vaccines across the bloc. The former Greek finance minister blamed the vaccine disaster on a lack of democracy and that EU, originating as a glorified cartel. There is outrage across Europe at the number of vaccines acquired by the European Commission, which was put in charge of procurement. The failure of the French Sanofi vaccine to work and a smaller than expected delivery from British-Swedish company AstraZeneca has plunged the continent into crisis. Mr. Varoufakis said that EU vaccines procurement fiasco is yet further proof that inefficient bureaucracy was never the EU's true weakness. The roots of the Union's multiple failures can be traced to its origins in a glorified cartel. The rules that have caused so much avoidable pain across the continent and have guaranteed the oligarchy immunity from anything resembling a democratic process are embedded in the unwritten corporatist covenant at the center of the EU. Unlike nation-states that emerge as stabilizers of conflicts between social classes and groups, the EU was created as a cartel with a remit to stabilize the profit margins of the large Central European corporations. We also know that, unlike proper states, cartels will resist any democratization of their decision-making, whether it is about debt or vaccines. Last week the EU caused global outrage by threatening to stop vaccine exports from the bloc and reimpose a hard border between Ireland and Northern Ireland to block a potential back-channel into the UK. Following fury in London, Dublin and Belfast, the EU was forced to back down. It was also criticized by the World Health Organization, which warned Brussels could unleash a wave of COVID vaccine protectionism. Mr. Varoufakis argued that EU's vaccine procurement policy was undermined by political considerations. Writing in the New Statesman, he said, "The European Commission's policy for ordering vaccines was driven by one imperative: to keep the Franco-German axis in balance. Why else did Brussels split the lion's share of the EU's vaccine budget straight down the middle between German company BioNTech and French company Sanofi, placing an order for 300 million vaccines from each, while procrastinating for 3 months over the Brexit-tainted AstraZeneca vaccine?